Mr. Delo Peña, number 29. At didiscarte ngayon. Hesitation. Drawing the pass. Double O. Peña fires. Good for 2. 15-11. Balik sa apat. Nakakalawang. Mr. Wigo. Zigzag. Fake. 4-on-2 situation. Agad na pamasama ni Mr. Jersey number 0. Mr. Ginata ngayon. 3-on-4 situation again. Side step. Behind back pass. Perimeter. Good for 2. Time out. At imbang din para Mr. Paman. Back pass. Pass is Zemi Tulyao. Tulyao cross. Tulyao drive. Double team. Ganda depensa. Intercepted naman. Pass rate right. 2-on-1 situation. Aguinaldo. Pinasabit ganda depensa. Balik ko din kay Mr. Ginaldo. Long two. No good. Pangan on the rebound. Pangan pass. Mr. Wico. Nakakuha ng buwelo. And there's the whistle. And ang jersey number 22. First contact sa team bell. Ay, two throws. Okay, ready jumpers. Sean drawing is good. 17 long. Babanta 5. Ang kalamangan, De La Peña ngayon. 16 on the shot clock. De La Peña, screen by Luis Reyes. Pick and roll. Ganda pasa. Ganda tira. Basket count. May kasama ng bell. What a nice play. Napakasimple. Down jersey number 0. First contact. Saudi Bell. Ay, bonus right. Connect pa rin ang Gary. From Mr. Ginaldo. Umaliwin ng India mo. Baka na may tangan. Here's number 13. 1 minute and 30 seconds on the game clock. Paano the middle. Rico sa loob. Hingin on the right wing. Broke on the shot clock. Tulyao. Teardrop shot. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound is good. 2014. Bulasay. Instant penalty na yun. One thing said Bond. Pero double team. Very fast. Number 22. Pero na naman with a presto. Mr. Rain. Ganda depensa. Umaling on the rebound. Pasang ihinin. Hingin to Rico. Rico tatawin. Agaling on the left wing. Go to the middle. Teardrop shot is good. 116. Babang sa apat. Okay, begin pass again. Mr. De La Peña. 40 seconds sa ating game clock. De La Peña looking for the screen. De La Peña launches the three. Bang! 23-16. At sa pito. 28 seconds sa ating game clock. Mr. Pangan pa rin. Ang may tangan. Pangan ang dalawa. Tulyao ang dalawa. We go in the middle. Hingin on the right wing. Babawi sa the rest. In and out. Agaw sa rebound. Shot clock is dead. 13 seconds. Hit for the buzzer. Here's number 0. Alin ang nabitawan. 3-on-2 situation. Perrote. Nabitawan ng bola. And it's simple. 7.6 substitution. Umali. 7.6 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. 7.6 seconds. Naka-plating na natin. Kabilang bitangan. Wico. Tunyao. 3 seconds. Pangan is ready. Give it 0. Ay, 23-18. Baba sa 5. Kalamangan. ang team ng Concentrix. Okay, depensa. Ang team ng Concentrix. Inbound tayo, Mr. Pan. Pan to Mejia. Mejia to Hayden. Hayden to Rico. Rico, long two. In and out, number 22 pass. And Rizal de la Peña. Easy ang bola. At Rizal away on this possession. Bounce pass number 22. Nakawala. Good for two. 21-18. Balik sa pito. Number 3, Mejia. Baseball pass to Rico. Napaganda po ang ilang peke. Pop. Double team. Hindi makawala. Kick that pass, Mr. Hayden. At ang ito middle. Pass pass to the lead. Punta na lang sa team ng Concentrix. Here's number 0-0. General Estadio. Amay Balan. At binigay pass, Mr. Solid. Kick out to De La Peña. Alley-oop pass. Give for two. The connection between the point guard and Asri. 27-18 shot. Number 13, Balan. Setting a play. Lances from downtown. Wala. Rebound number 29. Mr. De La Peña. Papatay na shot clock. 18 seconds to shoot. De La Peña looking for the screen now. 12 seconds to shoot. Right wing pass. Mr. Sagi left shot pass to Rosario fading away. Look at it again. Here's number 82 to Mr. Mejia. Here's number 3. Mejia pa rin. 15 on the shot clock. Rico. Hayden. Right wing. Pangalogay. Wala rebound. Number 22. Here comes Aguinaldo. Zigzagging. Sidestepping. Pinoy step. Love it! Ginawa ng ring. Mr. Hayden on the rebound. Chance para may baba ang kalamangan. 4-on-4 situation. Hayden pa rin. And there's a whistle. Down jersey number 29. Substitution. Aguinaldo. The beat down. First contact, first beat down. Mejia. 15 on the shot clock. Mr. Hayden. 10 on the shot clock. Mejia. 8 seconds. Rico. Double team. 6 seconds shot clock. Taman. Lances on long play. Okay, but there's a whistle on Mr. Socket. First foul na on you. And 17 foul. 3 throws time. Don't dribble up. Ready jumpers. Third drive. Good. Sabrap. Pakalap. 20-27. Bawasan ito ang kalamangan. Mr. De La Peña. Dribble the ball. Setting a play. Nagpapasahan na yun. Puputol sa malayo. In and out. Mr. Hayden defensive rebound. Pass number 0 to Yawan. Tanawin po na kayo sa De La Peña. Sisa kasi Japan. Mr. Garote. But there's a whistle. And that's a duty foul. Jersey number 0 to Yawan. Dalawa ka na. Substitution. De La Rosario out. Second contact. First to go. Number 22 to number 29, De La Peña. Shot clock 18 seconds. Screen by De Los Reyes. Hesitation move. Nakawala. Kick out. Perimeter fake. Kick out again. Number 22. 12 seconds shot clock. Call. Teardrop. Wala. Rico. Rebound. Pass. Mr. Tulyao. Ang atake. Sa gitna. Kick out to Hayden. Wide open. Long break. In and out. Diving na lang Mr. Perrote. Perrote drive. Perrote fires. Wala. Number 3 Mejia. Ganda depensa. Mr. Hayden ngayon. Nagbababa na wala. 3-on-3 situation. Pick and pass to Mindanilla. Yes, a basket down. Ating kasama down. Here's number 11. Substitution. De Los Santos, Reyes brother. Okay, number 11. Wala ang ating ball strike pero pabasa kalamangan ng team ng Concentrates jersey number 0. Aguinaldo launches a drive. Wala. Number 11, offensive free down. Kick out to Ferrer. Pupukot na lapit sa dos. Lapit tawad. Kick out kaya number 0. 9 second shot clock. Sakit bang. Sakit drive. Sakit pass sa kalaban na punta. Baseball pass. Mr. Rico Akatane. 3 on 1 completion. Number 2, Anderson. 82. Wow, Mr. Rico offensive down. Nagawang ng other referee. First contact, 70 bell. That's to number 5. Mr. Sagit. Ang may tangan. Ferrer ngayon. Aguinaldo on the level. 14 seconds. 12 second shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. 3. SC drive. Diretso sa basket. Wala. Rebound. Here's the number 11. Napaka-hassle. Mr. Sagit. Pass to Mr. Ferrer. Big pull-up J. In and out. Okay, Mr. Rico ngayon. Pass break. Number 0. Okay, raise the whistle. Down to number 18. Ferrer. Stop. Number 5. Sagit. Here's number 11 to number 8 to number 21. Perrote, extra pass and shoulder play. Wala mo na depensa. Isang laban sa tatlo. Mr. Per, apat laban sa isa. Dire-diretso lang Perrote. Kensani si basket. 3 minutes and 30. 29-22. Okay ang half time. Huwag pong aalis sa may mythical at may awards. Salamat. Pass na Mr. Mejia. 15 on the shot clock. 12 on the shot clock. And there's the whistle. Penalty jersey number 8 is Regal Nego. First contact, warning for penalty. Ang team ng Concentrates. Ay, Tulyaw. Hayden. Rico nakapwesto. Puong. Tandaan. Fires. Kalakas. Warning for number 18 is Ferrer. Number 0, Ginaldo. Tugan niya ang may tangan. 12 seconds to shoot. Ferrer. 10 on the shot clock, pump and pass, 7 seconds to shoot, number 11, and there's the gravity violation of white ball. Substitution, we go up. Okay, pass. Here's number 3, Mejia. 2 minutes and 50. Mejia, tatlo ko may tangan, nakawala. Mr. Quintanilla, pasa, kay number 0, wala sa bola, dalawa kayo, napakal na pa, Mr. Quintanilla, the magic bonus, 24-29. Babasa 5, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Here's si number 8, Mr. Gallego may tangan. 12 second shot clock, pull up J. Yes, sir. Mejia play, Mejia drive, zigzag, Mejia, wala, rebound, jersey number 0. Aguinaldo, 2-on-2 situation, drive, wala, defensive rebound, double 7. Sa kay Mr. Mejia, 1 minute and 50, Mejia, bring it back to Mr. Tulyaw. It's been almost, there's some whistle, penalty naman. Here's number 18, 7 personal foul penalty. Number 3, Mejia up. 21 up, Perrote. Okay, wala. Ready jumpers. Sound right? Yes, sir. Okay, 25-31, 1 minute and 48 sa ating game clock. Jersey number 8, Mr. Caliego. Magbababa ng bola. 15 on the shot clock. So SC, drive, cross, number 8, kontripangan, ganda depensa, di makapasok, 9 seconds, Aguinaldo side step, tatangalaw, ganda bitaw, 33-25, 1 minute and 20 sa ating first half. At Buko, Mr. Hayden, pass, it's Robinson violation, Sabra, 14 out, kita nila. Kick out, Lombre, bang! Woo! 58 seconds game clock. Joy, laser in, double O, baseball pass, jersey number 0, Aguinaldo, sakto-sakto. Wala, rebound Hayden, dalawa kayo. Hayden, pass is Timmy, double 7, Mr. Pangan, Suno, big club, drive, pass to Limo. Extra pass, Alzheimer's play, good out, basket, 30 seconds, game long. Intel, the number 5, Sakit. Okay, Sakit pa rin. Mr. Gallego, tama rin. Nasa kapan, Mr. Gallego, drive, extra pass, kaya nga pa rin. And there's number 8, Mr. Gallego, 7 personal foul, and a penalty. 18.4 seconds, one on the shot clock. Wala na. Okay, isa ka try. Sakay. It's good. Time out. Pass number 8, Gallego. 14 seconds, Aguinaldo. Andidiskarte on the last shot. 10 seconds, Aguinaldo pass, Gallego pay, Gallego drive, Gallego bars, Gallego no. 5 seconds pa, Mr. Hayden. 3 seconds, Mr. Buzzer. Pass to Mr. Cunha, okay. Okay, end of the first half, score number 20. Passing is that Ferrote. Ferrote Paramitangan. Bagi pass Mr. Rinaldo. Sweet pass de la Peña. Sa kaliwa, Montes. Long range. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound. He has a basket. Pass to number 31. Great pass. Umani. Benson gets a basket down. That makes a Samang foul on jersey number 0. First personal. And a first kick foul. Alright, ball strike. 38-31. Baba sa pitong ang hinggaman. Positive ang Gonzales. Jersey number 21. De La Peña. Aguinaldo. Fade. Drive. Pass. De La Peña naman. Attacking the basket. And there's a whistle. And number 2, 8. Ay, first contact, first team now, both teams. Ferrote, gusto pumukol. 12 seconds, stays it in, good for 2. Ay, 39, 40-31 rather. Sean, number 28, binamaan, depensa, walang kacho, agawan sa pumukol. There's a whistle foul galing sa likod. On jersey number 30. Substitution. First contact, 17 down. Ay, hindi, sige, 8 down. Idodor Ferrote. Pass to De La Peña. De La Peña tatangwid. De La Peña didiskarte. 16 on the shot clock. SC. Pass. De Rosario Longford. In and out. Offensive rebound. Intercepted. Jersey number 7. Rosario Reyes sa Mendangan. Kalahan ng kapakasar. Jersey number 2. Ay, Mr. Camacho. Sweet pass. Malagano. Intercepted. Here comes second on. Go. Raise it. Mr. Reyes setting up play. Pass number 28. Drive, fake. Bishop Ferrote intercepted, but there's a whistle. Substitution. Foul jersey number 3, 0. Hot job. 28. 2-8. Up. 7 contact. Mr. Cacho. 7 team foul. Oh, yun down, Mr. De La Peña, angat na sa shot. There's 0-0, Mr. Aguinaldo. SC, wicked pass, pick and roll play, Aguinaldo, and whistle na yung kinuha. And defense of that, there's number 0, Aguinaldo. First contact, 17 foul. Number 31. Padaleto. Wico. Fade away. Okay. Double O. Pass number 0. Mr. Aguinaldo. 2-1-2-0. Wico got the pass off. Easy basket. 40-31. What a nice pass coming from Aguinaldo. Jersey number 13 is the Pangan Babawian. Drive, raise the main on the right hand. Jersey number 29, De La Peña. Sweet pass to jersey number 0. Aguinaldo zigzag. No pass again. Takto back. Wala na yung ring. And that's to Mr. Wico. To Mr. Pangan. Mr. Wico is the man. And there's a dramatic violation. Okay, John. 5 wins and 50 jersey number 29. De La Peña. Long range. Wala. Okay, lumilipad ang B-man. Dugir. Umali ang other rebound. Jersey number 0. Mr. Tulyao. Pass to Mr. Palon. All alone. Nothing. Rebound. And it's that ball. Separate. De La Peña. To Mr. Aguinaldo, 11 kalamangan jersey Jersey number 29. Bababa para sa team ng Concentrates. 15 seconds to shoot. Aguinaldo launches the drain. In and out. Rebound. Wala. Rebound. Jersey number 0. Tinglaw ulit. Tinglaw para ng tangan. 0 to number 0. Mr. Mejia may tangan. 15 on the shot clock. Wigo nakapwesto. Gandang peke. Gandang tira. Good for 0. For the future, the drain. And again, para Mr. Del Peña. At tatawin sa team ng Concentrates. From the low. 14 seconds to shoot. Del Peña, 12 seconds shot clock. Pass, 10 seconds, Perrote, 8 seconds to shoot. From the passing natin, iwanan na, bitawan na, ganda depensa. Jersey number 82, Mr. Wico. Here comes Mr. Paman. There's a right to Mr. Wico. Good for 2. Down. 42-30 boys. Yes, better on the long break. In and out. And that's Mr. Wigo. Paman. Long three. And gets a result. Bell number 21, Mr. Perrote. Substitution. De La Peña out. Seven personal foul, 13 foul. Sound right? No good. Okay, ready jumpers. Third try is good. Okay, 42-37. Baba sa 5. Ang kalamangan, number 70, Centeno. Andy Escape. Para sa team ng Concentrates. 16 on the shot clock. Pass on the right wing, pero isang alan. 12 second shot clock. Balik sa taas. 10 seconds to shoot. Centeno, 8 second shot clock. Nice keep it down. Centeno nakawala. Up and under. Good for 2. Fresh from the bench. Ang ating point guard, 44-37. Back to 7-point lead. Pass number 13, Mr. Pangman. We call on 3-1 up. Aguinaldo. 3-on-4 situation. After pass of Perrote, malakas. Pass is giving. Centeno, sidestep. Wala. Rebound. Iwan ang depensa. There's no need to. Mr. Hayden. Zigzag. Fake. Fires. Malakas. Rebound. Jersey number 21. Perrote to Centeno. Deal the ball. After pasta. Bitawan Mr. Mejia. To Mr. Hayden. Johnson na naman. Possession. Mr. Paman. Pull up. In and out. Mr. Hayden. To Mr. Centeno. And a result on Mr. Paman. 7 personal foul. 30 foul. Both teams 30 foul ngayon. Okay, Perrote. Pass to Centeno, number 70. 18 on the shot clock. 13 on the shot clock. Sweet pass. Perrote. Hanging pass. Wala. Wigo on the rebound. Wigo got the win. Wigo pa rin. Zigzag. Pass to Simi, number 0. Pulyao, step back. In and out. That jersey number 0. Mr. Aguinaldo. 2 minutes and 20 seconds sa ating third quarter. Centeno 15 on the shot clock. On the pan. The lead pass. 10 on the shot clock. Pero natin here jump shot. Awak wala. Aman sa rebound. And there's a jump ball. Ivor ball. Red ball. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Number 0, Tandao. Pangat. Sayang na bitawan. 15 on the shot clock. And it's a whistle. Whistle. Jersey number 1, 8, Mr. Pereira. Tatlo ka na. And a warning for penalty. Warning na. Ang team na concentrates tatlo. Para kay Mr. Pereira. Mejia. 10 seconds shot clock. Pangat. Wala pa rin. Number 0, Aguinaldo. Zigzag. Drive. And a whistle. Down jersey number 0, Mr. Tandao. Third personal, tatlo ka na rin. And a warning for penalty. Parehas. Pass number 17, Centeno. 15 seconds to shoot. 1 minute and 40. Centeno longer. Point. Okay, Hayden, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Hayden pass to number 82. Rebound. Basket guard. At may kasama foul on jersey number 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay, number 22. Sub-drop tayo. Sige, Mia. Tulyaw. 7 personal foul penalty. Ready jumpers. Okay, tatlo ka na, pero ate. Okay, hindi mo masak. Standby. Okay, brother. 1 minute and 20. Centeno play. Shot clock 13 seconds. Number 18, is that dropping Sabra? Okay, 44-39, yung lang pala. 1 minute and 10. Hayden, pass, double 7. 16 on the shot clock. Bounce, Mr. Wico, onto the Eday. 12 seconds, no answers. Rebound na tayo na mo. Okay, simple tayo. 9 seconds shot clock. 9 on the shot clock. Both teams on foul stream. Bounce pass Wico, nakapwesto. Drive. 5 seconds shot clock. Kada pasa, hindi na pasa. There's a 7 and 10. And there's a traveling nagchata, sabi ni Mr. Red Adwin. Ano? Because in that one, die for 50 seconds. Ito pa rin kalamangan para sa team ng Concentrix. 50 seconds sa ating clock. Team, dalawang timeout, both teams sa ng fourth quarter. Okay, Centeno. Pass, Aguinaldo. Centeno on the level. 15 on the shot clock. Centeno. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 on the shot clock. Mr. Madaya, get the depensa. 8 seconds, no break. Wala. Rino, Mr. Wico. Pass my point. Pass the number 7-7. Napitawan pa. Waiting to Mr. Tandao. To Mr. Aguinaldo. 23 seconds game clock. Balik-balik kay number 7-7. Signs up as the first right. Lazy. Ready good. 44-41. Naman sa tatlo. Shot clock is 10. 13 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. buzzer. Missile penalty. First contact and a penalty number 12. Okay, first basket is good. 11 seconds sa ating game clock. Sound right? Wala. Okay, 10 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Double 7. Diretto. 5 seconds na bitawan. That is all. Simple down. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Tignan natin ang nakaplay. Indown. Tulyao. Fade away. 2 seconds. And there's a whistle. Penalty of Pares. Penalty Pares. Number 1 down. 1.17. Sound right? Wala, rebound. Okay, down. Number 8. Passing to number 34. To Mr. Pakat number 13. Pangalan Paroy. Pangalan ni Escarte. Number 77. Sweet pass. Manalata Logger. Wala. Rebound. De La Peña. Pass. To number 8. Gallego. Pero ngayon. Ang tagang pina-atake. There's the Palmer. Rico ngayon nakakita ng butas. Diretso lang for 0. 45-44. Isa na lang. Ang kalabangan. With number 8, Mr. Gallego. Gallego pa rin. Pasa. Number 5. 14 seconds to shoot. Nabitawan. Teardrop. Good for 20. Not for 47-44. Dastan City, Kumali, Wico. Fade away. Good for 2. Hirap lang. 47-46. Okay, number 8, Gallego. Gallego pa rin indangan. Mr. Sally number 5. Double low. Long 2. In and out. Rebound. Isa na naman. Magbababa ngayon. Big pass. Narbuko. One try number 8, Gallego. Manalo to setting of play. Double 7. 14 second shot clock. Nabitawan. Ariel, simple tayo. 12 second shot clock. Umali out. Sampai. Pera. 29, De La Peña. Sa gitna. Isa na lang. 47.6. Pass to Pine. 8-second shot clock. Tunyao. 5-second shot clock. Mr. Tunyao. Drive. 3-second shot clock. Mr. Wico. Lock 2. In and out. Put back. Wala. Okay, rebound number 0. Pass. Receiving. And there's a turnover na madali. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Sabrak. Kalyagon. Okay, pick dalawang timeout both teams. Mr. Bangman, Tuwingo, drive. And there's the whistle. Who's foul? Here's the number 00 Del Rosario. 7 personal foul. First pick foul. Inbound. 80 on the shot clock. Pangan. Carboco double 7. 14 seconds to shoot. Pangan launches on countdown. Wala. Offensive rebound. Pass na kay Wico. Long 2. Good for 2. Change rebound now. 48-47. De La Peña. Contra kay Pangan. Street by De Los Reyes. De La Peña driving to the basket. Pick and pass pass. De La Rosario the big man. Fires. Wala. Offensive rebound. 7 attempt. Good for 2. Napakasibang. Tuyaw. Pass to Mr. Wico. Longer. 49-51. Number 29, De La Peña. From the logo. 15 on the shot clock. Illegal pick. Tatlo ka na. 17 pounds. Substitution. Third personal down. 17 down. In down now. Pass, Wico, Tuyaw, on the left, atake, nabitawan, revolver ngayon naipit sa depensa. Ayan, sa Simo Garo, 14-second shot clock. Indown Tuyaw, kick out, Pangan, 12-second shot clock, Wico, 10 on the shot clock, hesitation, pull-up J, in and out, rebound, italayan ngayon, nabitawan. Second hand! At meron pang kasamang foul. Jersey number 2. 1, Mr. Perote ang may foul. Warning for Broadway. And a 30 foul. Perote pass. De La Peña may tangan. Magbababa ngayon para sa team ng concentrate. 6 minutes and 40 seconds sa ating clock. 12 seconds shot clock. And there's the whistle. Who's foul? There's number 22. Substitution. Manalot out. Perote out. Okay, first team foul pa lang ang I4. Number 29, De La Peña. Kontra kita nila. 8-second shot clock. Launches a Murray. In and out. Rebound. Mr. Wico. 3 on 2 situation. Drive. Nasa dumaan ganda depensa. There's number 0. Mr. Aguinaldo ngayon ang bababa. Mr. De La Peña. Ganda pasa. Aguinaldo ang atake. Wala naman. And there's the out of bounds. Anong tawag? Lobong. Okay, 16 on the shot clock. Ayaw nang pumasok. 16 on the shot clock. Kick out. De La Peña. Sa taas. 15 on the shot clock. Drive. Zigzag na kawala. Is it enter the rules here? 51-53. Babas sa dalawa. Number 0. Tunaw. Pass the Pangan, 5 minutes and 15, Quintanilla, putol sa dos. Wala, riba number 8, Gallego, pass break, try again, breakaway, ball sa feet, na concentrate. Pass is stealing, number 13, Pangan, to Wico. Nasa depensa, pass to Mr. Wico. Wala, second attempt is good. Ay, 51. Balik sa apat. Mr. De La Peña to Mr. Gallego. Gallego pa rin ang tanawin. 18 on the shot clock. Pass to Gallego. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Setting up play, setting up screen. 11 seconds to shoot. Drive, kick out. De La Peña on the right wing. 7 seconds shot clock. Nahihirapan pumasok. 5 seconds shot clock. Aguinaldo. Pupul sa malayo. Wala. Offensive rebound. And that's a whistle down. Subrep. Foul just number 22. 7 personal. 17 down. Bawasan ito. Ready jumpers. Shot rise again. 53-55. Bawasan dalawa. Ang kalamangan sa team ng Icon, Mr. Hayden. Pass to Mr. Pangan. Pass to Mr. Wico. Drive. Fake. Speed. Nabitawan. Hayden on the right wing. 10 seconds shot clock. Drive. Sa pasan sa fish line. Ang mga pasangin ng nila. Titira lang. Ay, Bepusalan 52. Maluwag. Ang depensa sa ilalim. Number 8, Gallego. 15 seconds shot clock. Gallego niya. 12 seconds. Double O. 9 seconds shot clock. De La Peña. 7 seconds to shoot. Samuel. Casa basket. 56-57. Pawas na isa. Number 13, Mr. Pangan. Pangan, bring it pass. Mr. Hayden. Pass to teammate, Hayden. Pinali sa area. Jersey number 22. 3-on-1 situation. Drive, pass. Pangan is takes pass again. Number 0. Punyao, 2-on-1. Wico. Contact is good. 56. Number 59, balik po rin sa tapo. Nakakalamangan. Jersey number 8, Gallego. 3 minutes and 50 sa ating game clock. Kaya Gary Ford, quarter. Mr. De La Peña. In the middle of the shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. De La Peña, pasa. Pick and roll, interception. Keep on in up. To Mr. Pangan all alone. Give her two. Ay, balik sa labas. Nakakalamangan isang time out concentrates. Score natin 61-56. 5 kalamangan sa team ng Icon. Sawan. Oh, inbound. Mr. De La Peña, 3. Pass. Perote sa kanan. 15 on the shot clock. De La Peña pa rin. Kontra kay Pangan. 12 seconds long break. Wala. Oh, rebound. Mr. Wico na naman. Wala sa offense. Mr. Pangan. As a first play. And a nice D coming from Mr. Perote. Dire-diretso ng number 1. Apat sa isang. Gandang pasagan. Ang tiro. Pero wala. And that's a good foul. Coming from Mr. Hayden. First personal foul, 13 foul, both teams, 13 foul. Ay, wala. Ready jumpers. So, wala pa rin. Rebound. Tulyao. 3 minutes exactly number 0. Mr. Tulyao. Quintanilla. Kick out. Pangan. SC. Drive. And there's the whistle. Mr. Aguinaldo, 7 personal foul. Warning for penalty. Sub-rep. Substitution. Sorry. Okay. 14 on the shot clock. Who's down? Number 8 penalty. Gallego Bell. 3rd personal foul penalty. First try is good. 62-56. Balik sa kanip. Nice out try. Okay, good. 2-2. 63-56. Angat sa pito. 2 minutes and 53. Napakahaba. Number 8. To number 29. De La Peña. 14 seconds shot clock. Perrote page. Perrote drive. Napitawan na naman. Right over. Perrote. Teardrop shot. Wala. Ay, inuluwa na rin. Ayaw pumasok. 14 seconds shot clock. Double up. Pass to Perrote. Throw mo na shot clock. Perrote na naman. Side step na naman galaw. Wala na naman. Punta. Tingnan natin. Isa kita nila. And it's a high control. 2 minutes and 26 sa ating income. Okay, 2 minutes and 26 on income. Pass number 13, Mr. Pangan. Nakakababa na po lang ni pass, Mr. Hayden. Balik Mr. Pangan. Pangan way. Pangan drive. Pangan pass. Lantes. Wala. Okay, defensive rebound. De La Peña. Number 8, Gallego. Gallego kontra Lingo. Depensa na naman ng I-4. Dugin pass. Depensa. And then out, sub.
Bola ulit po ang kaya na. Ang bola ko.
On 2 minutes and 2. Pass to Mr. Tulyao. Exactly 2 minutes. Pero wati ngayon. 18 on the shot clock. Mr. Pangan. Pass to number 82, Rico. Right wing. Shot clock 12 seconds. Hinyan. Maluwag ang depensa. 10 seconds. Gallego now. Pass sa gitna. Pin away. Nugget. Okay, double may tangan. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Takbo lang yan na pangahaba. Here's number 8, Gallego. Kontra kay Pangan. Pass. Intercepted. Mr. Pangan! Wala. There's the whistle for Mr. Gallego. 4 pa na rin. And a penalty. Some de los Reyes. Gallego. Okay, first rested.
Dapat ganun. Ilang beses na ako.
Sondray. Bitel. Okay, rebound. Mr. Pahan pa rin. May tangan. Kick out. Tulyao. 10 seconds to shoot. Pangan right point. Quintanilla. Magic putok. 1 minute and 20. 56-66. Angkat na sa tampo ang kalamangan. Jersey number 21. Perrote. Tatawe. Perrote cross. Perrote pass. Scheller. 14 seconds shot clock. Double team. And there's a whistle. Whistle Rico. Jersey number 82. 7 personal foul. Warning for penalty. Sub-rep. Ay, di na. Okay. Sige, down. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Both teams na. Both teams, penalty na. Okay, jersey number 70. Mr. Centeno. Ferrer. Estimation. Drawing na kawala. And there's the Robin in Simon landed. 1 minute and 3. One minute. Sa ating game clock. $50 shot clock. Kick count. 10 on the shot clock. Hayden, 7 on the shot clock. Drive. Kick count. 5 seconds shot clock. Pull up, Jerry. Wala, in and out. Lumilipad ang mga depensa. 39 seconds game clock, Mr. Hayden pa rin. 10 seconds. 8 seconds shot clock. Tumulong best. Ay, si Simple. 6 seconds, 31 seconds na lang ang ating game clock. Going down, balik sa taas, Tulyaw. 5 seconds, long range, short. Kita nila may tangan. 12 seconds to shoot. Tulyaw, Hayden on the go. 10 seconds to shoot. Okay, nice game! Okay ito. Pagkalimapan, nabaliktad pa. Congratulations sa Team Iron Guard.